Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll see that how can you edit any of the PDF file for free. You don't need to use any of the paid subscription or online services to do that. Earlier I published one video where I shown that how you can use MS Word to edit any of the PDF file. Today I am going to share you another way using which you will be able to edit your PDF files, and for that you don't need any subscription. It's absolutely for free. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video to understand how you can use that.
So I have opened Google Docs and this is the home page of Google Docs. In case you don't know how to launch Google Docs, you can go to Google homepage, and if you follow my mouse, there are 9 dots here, right? These are Google apps. And here, if you scroll down, you will be able to find Google Docs. If you click on that, Google Docs will open. Now I have this open already here. I also have couple of files in my desktop. One is named as time and second one is letter. Now let me show you two things here. To start with, I will start with a simple PDF document where only text are there. So let me show you how you can do that. If you follow my mouse, in the right side of the page of Google Docs, there is one file picker. That is this one folder icon is there. So if you click on this particular file picker, it will give you prompt that from where you wanted to open that PDF file. Once you will click on that, a new prompt will come and there you will be able to select the file which you wanted to open. So first one is the My Drive. If I go to the last one, that is upload, and it will give me option to choose from my computer only. Let me click on that. Now you can see the file picker opened and there are two PDF files here, right? So let me click on this file named time and click on open. So now it's uploading the document in Google Docs, and after that Google Doc will convert it and it will open. You can see it opened that particular PDF file. If you follow my mouse in the left part of the page, it's showing time.pdf. It's still not converted, right? Now if you go here and click on this drop down and then you open with Google Docs. So let's see what happens. You can see it's now working in background and it will open once this is done. Now you can see this particular file got converted to a Google Docs document. And here I can make any changes. If I type anything, I'll be able to edit. I can remove any part of it, anything, all those things I can do. Let me open that PDF file so that you will understand what was there in the PDF. If I just open this particular file, you can see this all text were there. So this is the way you can open any of the PDF file to edit. And once this is done, you can go to file and then you can go to downloads and export it as a PDF again. So it can open a PDF, you can edit it for free and you can export it as a PDF. Now one thing is there we need to talk about here. So this particular scenario was absolutely fine whenever you have plain text available within PDF. But whenever it comes to a question of converting a complex document, let's see what happens. I shown you that whenever you are doing in Word, it generally converts complex document also absolutely fine. There are some glitches here and there. However, in the 95% of the time, MS Word converts those complex document in right way and you will be able to edit. Let me try a complex document here, which I already have available in my desktop. So if I again go back to Google Docs home, if I click in this particular button, now again I'm back to the home page. Now if I again click on this open file picker and then I select the other file from my computer, this one, letter, and if I click on open, then it will open that PDF file in the browser and it will give me the same option, right? You can see that one document opened. There are some images there in the top part of the page and this is still the PDF file. Now, if I click on this drop down here and click on Google Docs, it will try to convert this particular file also. Now you can see that image which was there in the top part of this PDF file. Let me open that so that you can compare it side by side. You can see there were some of the images there in the top part of the page and there were certain boxes, logos, but those were not converted properly. It can convert all those text very efficiently. However, whenever coming a question of converting complex document, it sometimes fails. So now you have two options available. In case you already have MS Word using which you can edit any of the PDF file and that works for complex documents also. But you can still use Google Docs to convert simple text-based PDF files to a Google Docs document where you can edit and you can again export it back to PDF. If you have not checked my earlier video on how to convert any of the PDF file using MS Word, I will share the link in the description below. You can check the video to understand how you can edit any of the PDF using Microsoft Word.
Hopefully you like this video and you will be able to make use of it. In case you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel in case you wanted to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.